Hey kindergarten, so today we're going to be using our tens frames to find the missing part of 10. So we are going to start down here with our guided practice for question number 1. So we can see already that we have 8 counters in our 10 frame. And what we need to find out is how many more counters we need to make 10. So I've got 8. I'm going to call it 2 more. So I can already tell from over here that 8, if I have 8 to start with, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now what about if I have 5? So if I have 5, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more to make 10. So I know now that 5, which I started with, plus another 5 equals 10. Okay, I'm going to turn over the page. Up to the top. So in this one, I am starting with 9 counters already in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in my 10 frame, I only need 1 more counter to make 10. So I can write that 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay, moving down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 counters already. So I need to find out how many more counters in my 10 frame will make 10. So count with me. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 4 plus 6 gives me that 10. It completes the 10 frame. Okay, next one. I have 2 counters in my 10 frame. How many more will I need? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 2 black counters, 8 red counters. 2 plus 8 makes 10. Down to the bottom, I just have the 1 counter in my 10 frame right now. I need to figure out how many more will fill up the whole 10 frame and make 10. So I have 1. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Turning over the page. All right, so here we have 3 plus blank equals 10. So I'm going to use my black marker to put 3 counters in the 10 frame. So I have my 3 already. And now I need to figure out how many more I need to make 10. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 black counters plus 7 red counters equals 10. Okay, moving down to this one. I'm going to start with 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more will I need to make 10? I have my 5 black counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that fills my 10 frame, and I now know that 5 black counters plus 5 red counters equals 10. Okay, number 9. I do not have any black counters for number 9. So I need to fill the 10 frame with red counters. I'm quickly going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I start with 0 in my 10 frame, I know that I need 10 more to complete it. All right, so moving on. We're going to look through these equations and find out which ones are true and which ones are not. So the first one says 5 plus 5 equals 10. I'm going to move this up. And use my counters over here. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then I'm going to add 5 more. This time we'll do yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see that 5 plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one is right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I'm just going to write a little check mark by that one. Okay, next one. 5 plus 6 equals 10. Let's start again. Let's use 5 red counters. And then I'm going to bring my 5 yellow counters back. Then add 1 more. Now I have 5 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellows. Let's count them to see if it makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I have 11 counters total. So I know that 5 plus 6 does not equal 10. And I'm going to put an X through that equation. Okay, next one. This says 9 plus 2 equals 10. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red counters, and I add 1, 2 yellow counters, how many do I have? So in total right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 does not equal 10. It equals 11. So I can go ahead and put an X through that equation because it is not true. The next one says 9 plus 1 equals 10. And if you look at this right now, it kind of looks like our complete 10 frame. So let's see if it's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red counters and 1 yellow counter. How many do we have total? So total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put a little check mark by that equation because it is correct. All right, kindergarten, great job today, and I will see you next time.